Workshop 2, Interim, which means middle, assessment. So this is a reading test. You're going to follow the directions for each part of the test and choose the best answer to each question. Now, the practice question we would have already done together as a whole group, so we can skip over this page. I want to point out the only thing I will be reading on this video are the directions and the questions. You need to read the passages and the question choices on your own. Directions. Read the paragraph, then answer the question. The question has two parts. Part A. Based on information in the paragraph, what is one factor that led to the construction of the Glen Canyon Dam? Pause the video after each question so you can take time to answer. Part B. Which sentence from the passage best supports the answer to Part A? Okay, turn to page 3. Directions. Read the passage, then answer questions 1 through 6. You'll notice this passage is a whole page, so you might need to use your highlighters. Read the questions first and then read. Use your reading strategies and take your time. All right, number 1, paragraph 2 says, in 2014, worsening conditions made him call for a 20% reduction in water use. Which meaning of call fits the way it is used in the sentence? Number 2, read the sentence from paragraph 3. They explain why using too much water is unwise. What does unwise mean in the sentence? Number 3, part A. Which of the following inferences is best supported by details in the passage? Part B. Which statement from the passage best supports the answer to Part A? Number 4. Read the sentence from paragraph 4. People who are incapable of following water guidelines are also subject to fines. What does incapable mean in the sentence? Number 5. According to the passage, what will happen if the stage 1 water laws are not a success? Number 6. Based on information in the passage, what can you infer about California's water emergency? All right, we are on page 6. You are going to read the passage, then answer questions 7 through 14. Okay, number 7 on page 7. Which meaning of courses fits the way it is used in paragraph 2? So go back to paragraph 2, find the sentence with the word courses, read it, then answer this question. Which meaning of courses fits the way it is used in paragraph 2? Number 8. According to the passage, what key factor causes people to take part in lawn removal programs? Number 9. Read the sentence from paragraph 3. To encourage people to participate in these programs, the amount of money a person can earn often is unrestricted. What is the meaning of unrestricted? Page 8. Number 10. According to the passage, what is one effect of dry landscaping? Number 11. Lawn removal programs require a serious commitment from property owners. Which sentence from the passage best supports this inference? Number 12. According to the passage, what can cause a lawn removal program participant not to qualify for a rebate? Number 13. What causes landowners to use native plants? Last question, number 14. What inference about water conservation is supported by details in the passage?